Watch out, don't let them come out, alright?
Okay. I wanna go food. Here you go food. It says, hey, hey, he just bite my hand. He just bite my hand. He bite
Watch
my
out, baby. Be careful.
Phew. He says, there you go.
Oops. Come on, guys, eat the grass. Right here. Watch, Jared, watch. Oh! He took it away from me. It's like, give me that. I love it. Look at that one on top. Both hands, he has it. It's like, yum, yum. I got two. Now you're feeding me? Oh, that was really good. Give some to Pepper. The gray one, maybe on top.
Pepper,
Yes.
he wants.
Did you see his hand? He goes, hmm? That's so cute. Oh, yeah.
they they both take a piece, Mama. They
Yeah.
take a piece.
They like eating grass once in a while.
Look at them.
Yeah.
Look at them.
That's Pinky with
Yeah.
pink eyes.
Yeah.
Pepper, the gray one, and Sage,
Yeah, and
the
Sage.
other white,
This one,
the
right?
chinchillas. That one is Pinky.
Pinky.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See his eyes? His eyes pink.
His eyes is pink.
Yeah.
Pinky. Bum, 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 bum.
Don't let them out, baby. It's hard to catch them. Oh, that was quick.
And I throw the food out now. He said, oh. Itchy, itchy butt. Itchy, itchy butt. Itchy, itchy butt. Nope, don't do it.
I can't see, baby. Don't throw it to them.
Well, he said, huh. He said, huh. What was that? Itchy, itchy butt.
Jared.
Itchy butt. Can I stick? Can I do?
No, no, no,
Oh.
baby. I'll show it to you when we were done. Jared, close this. Close the lid, please. Okay.
Okay. Phew.
Are you done playing with them?
No, I just closing it a little bit. I'm just closing it a little.
Jared, how old are you? Huh? How many is that?
5,
No.
4.
Yeah, I just turned 4 a week ago, right?
Yeah. Do like this.
That's their favorite piece of wood. They chew on it.
There.
Yeah.
Now they won't get out. Will they get out?
Yeah, they can. Oh, be careful, baby. Be careful. Don't hurt
I don't
them.
want them to get out.
He's gonna jump. He's thinking about it. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. I need coffee. I'm gonna go to the kitchen. Say bye. What? Okay, get back inside. They're having fun now. Okay. I'll turn this off now.